Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we have invited our technicians to test cutting machine. The following is the complete process. After the actual cutting test, the machine operated smoothly with a consistent cutting speed. The finished EPS foam blocks had accurate dimensions and clean, smooth cutting surfaces, demonstrating an overall excellent cutting performance. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.